by providing figure of speeches in the poetry, right? So here the first figure of speech that we are going to see is alliteration. You know that alliteration, when the consonant sound is repeated for pleasingly musical effect, not vowel sound but consonant sound is repeated. For example, the phrases like sound and shape. Here yes, yes is repeated to secure the emphasis in the poem. Or take another example, life is a queer with its twist and turn. Life is queer with its twist and turn is the best example of alliteration, right? Another one is paradox. What happened in paradox? In paradox, paradox is somewhat like antithesis, right? But there is a difference between antithesis and paradox. In paradox, what's happened? Two opposite ideas or two opposite words are written in a line to secure the emphasis. Though the two opposite words are there, but that is the reality, right? For example, see, one example is there. In spite of writing my slate remains blank. In spite of writing, my slate remains blanks, right? Means after writing something on the slate, slate remains blank. How it is possible? But there is a reality in it, right? So here in this particular figure of speech, there is a paradox. Antithesis is very simple. What happened antithesis is, here is also two opposite words are taken in a single line to secure the emphasis, right? Two opposite words or two opposite ideas are taken in a single line. That is antithesis figure of speech. For example, the open window shut with a bang. Open and shut, two opposite words are there. Or take any different example of antithesis like that. I want to smile, but I have to sigh. I want to smile, but I have to sigh. I want to be happy in my life, but I have to face the difficulties. Like that, two opposite ideas are there in a single life. Or he is living life in death. See, life and death. He is living life in death. Here, life and death, these two words, two contrasting words, two opposite words are written, are used in a single line. That's why it is antithesis. See the difference between both figure of speeches, paradox and antithesis. Here both are somewhat same. Life and death, exactly opposite words are there, but in paradox, though opposite contrasting ideas are there, but that is truth. For example, in one of the poem, the poet says, I celebrate the virtue and The vices. I celebrate the virtue and the vices. How can it